The Yamaha SR400, in its final customization effort by Deus Japan, stands as a testament to classic motorcycle design and craftsmanship. Despite its conventional approach, this motorcycle exudes timeless charm and elegance, making it a standout in a sea of modern two-wheeled offerings. Deus Japan, renowned for its unique blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary performance, has applied its signature touch to the Yamaha SR400. The result is a motorcycle that pays homage to the iconic design language of the past while incorporating subtle enhancements for a modern riding experience. Visually, the Deus Japan customization of the Yamaha SR400 retains the bike's original silhouette and proportions, emphasizing clean lines and minimalist detailing. The matte black finish and subtle chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, reflecting Deus Japan's commitment to understated elegance and meticulous craftsmanship. Under the hood, the Yamaha SR400 remains faithful to its roots with a reliable air-cooled 399 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Known for its smooth power delivery and responsive throttle, the SR400 offers a rewarding riding experience suited for both urban commuting and leisurely weekend rides. While some may perceive the Yamaha SR400 as a departure from the trend of high-tech motorcycles, its appeal lies in its simplicity and purity of design. Riders who appreciate the nostalgia of kickstarting a motorcycle and the raw connection with the road find solace in the SR400's straightforward mechanics and unfiltered riding experience. Deus Japan's customization of the Yamaha SR400 extends beyond aesthetics to include practical enhancements for comfort and performance. Upgraded suspension components, ergonomically designed seats, and modern braking systems ensure that the SR400 handles with confidence and stability, enhancing rider control and safety. Despite its conventional roots, the Yamaha SR400 remains relevant and sought after by motorcycle enthusiasts who value authenticity and heritage. Its timeless design and reliable performance make it a versatile choice for riders of all skill levels, from seasoned veterans to newcomers eager to embrace the joys of motorcycling. The collaboration between Yamaha and Deus Japan on the SR400 marks a poignant moment in motorcycle customization, where tradition meets innovation to create a bike that transcends fleeting trends. As the industry evolves, the SR400 serves as a reminder of the enduring appeal of classic motorcycles and the craftsmanship that defines Deus Japan's approach to customization. In conclusion, the Yamaha SR400, customized by Deus Japan in its final tilt, embodies the essence of timeless motorcycle design and craftsmanship. With its conventional yet undeniably handsome appearance, the SR400 continues to captivate riders with its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics, modern enhancements, and uncompromising performance. As Deus Japan bids farewell to this iconic model, its legacy lives on in the hearts of enthusiasts who cherish the artistry and soul of motorcycling.